Discover the secret to erasing lines and wrinkles. Coffee is 1,000,000 times more potent than botox or collagen. Put 1 spoonful of coffee in a pot and add 200 milliliters of water. Boil the coffee for 3 minutes, then filter the coffee. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch and stir well until the cornstarch is dissolved. Transfer the mixture to a saucepan and put the mixture on low heat. With constant mixing, you will get a creamy mixture like this. Pour the mixture into a bowl and add 1 spoonful of aloe vera gel. Mix well, then add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Store the mixture in a glass jar with a lid, and you can store it in the refrigerator for 7 days. How to use the cream. Apply the cream in the evening before bedtime. Massage well on the skin of the face and neck. Leave the cream on overnight and wash your face and neck in the morning. Save video to favorites and comment, "Yes, I will use it."